I stopped taking notes completely for 1 week, used only AI instead. My quiz score jumped 8 points. Here's exactly what happened. Honestly, I used to waste hours making perfect color-coded notes. They looked amazing, but I'd barely ever look at them again, just collecting dust. Total waste of time. So I decided to go all in. 1 week, zero note-taking during lectures. Instead, I'd use AI right after class. Here's what I actually did. I'd focus fully during lectures, just listening and understanding. As soon as class ended, I'd open up ChatGPT and ask it to explain anything that confused me. The results? I was way more engaged in class, not distracted by scribbling or highlighting. And honestly, the AI explained things way clearer than my messy notes ever did. But here's the game changer. I could ask unlimited follow-up questions. Can you explain that simpler? Can you give me an example? It broke complicated stuff into actual steps I could follow. After a single week, my quiz score jumped from 78% to 86. Plus, I saved about 4 hours not making notes. And the best part? I actually understood the material instead of just copying it down. Real talk though, this isn't perfect for every subject. Stuff like math or physics still needs good old practice problems. But for conceptual subjects, total game changer. Will I stick with it? Absolutely. Try this for 1 week yourself. Use ChatGPT after lectures. Drop a comment and tell me which subject you'd use this for.